Hala. Salamat. all crabs. Hala. Oh, okay. Akala ko may maliliit. All female.
That's maliliit.
Can I eat this one?
Yeah.
That's all.
Can I eat this one?
Ito lang ang kainin ko.
Crab. Galit-galit muna.
May kanong dati hindi pa tayo buong.
They're eating crabs.
Maryland crab.
Crab from Seaside Seafood. Here's the state of crab in Maryland. Pinakamaraming crab dito.
Dito sa Maryland?
Yeah. Kaya nga,
It's known for
it's known for,
the
every
crab.
state has known for. So dito, Maryland, ang crab.
Yan.
Big crab. Okay. That's your whole crab.
Hmm?
Oh, Paul, you need help opening it?
I can open it. Thank you.
Just got this. This is mine. My favorite.
Mm.
Hot, 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 hot. Hot, hot, hot.
Bilit yung mga tamba niya noon. Lumabas na lang.
No, not taba. Yan.
Of course, it's partnered with Coca-Cola. Yeah, we're gonna have... Smile! Smile! You're so serious! Hi, baby! Crab! Oh, hold the crab, ma. Crab! Maryland!
Mm.